Look at Sierra and Matthew. They're sitting over there on the bench.
Of the trailer.
Where's James?
There you go. Other way, I'm sorry.
What is that? He's so cute. Hi, handsome. What are you doing? You ready to go for a boat ride? He's not talking to me right now. Look, he's so cute.
He enjoyed the park.
Did you have fun, Matthew?
He really liked the slides.
All right, Ryan. There's our captain for the day. It's a trial and error for both of us. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get you jumping in, girl. What?
She always tell me that she mad, then I touch her phone.
All right, let's do it. Katie's getting the ladder.
They always tell her she should leave. She tell them
There's James. How you feeling, my love?
Turn around and take some more.
Oh, Katie's putting the ladder on the front. All right, let me get back here. Hold on. Sierra, feet first, be careful.
She went in. Yeah. I can't touch it. I touched it.
All right, take it.
Go ahead.
Hop in.
Let's go. Come on.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared. I just thought
Come on, Jacob.
with being a girl. Matthew will get in with her.
Matthew's like, what are you doing there? Oh, he's like a little roly-poly with his little thing on. Got him? How'd you do, buddy? He said bye to the binky. Go ahead. What?
That's what I thought.
Let's see how easy it is to get up the rope ladder.
It's favorite just to give you a little bit of watching on it to bail off. It's hugging the bottom of the boat.
Girl, climb the step. Put your feet on the step.
My feet are on the steps.
Keep walking up it. There you go. Walk up it like
I'm definitely not getting out of the boat.
We're going in
Now is the time to take a stand and amplify every black voice in every community. The NAACP
You need some help?
Legal Defense Fund is an organization.
So these two.
Hey, I'm on the side so I can see. There you go.
Can we go around the other side?
Yeah, you can go. I would say. I mean, it's a big canal.
Oh, shoot.
That or just pull it right there, baby, and park it by the window.
I don't like how that thing does the rim. Like drive. Yeah.
That looks like a houseboat.
What?
Somebody got a llama.
Huh?
They got the llama.
Sierra, they got your llama over there. Did we bring an anchor? How about on the other side of these people right here? Just to park in a space? Yeah, you can get that. This bitch. She didn't even let me push play. Uh-oh.
Go.
Careful.
Jump. You can't touch.
What are you doing? Are you driving?
I'm swimming against it.
Come on, get in.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Give me a minute. I'm getting a quote.
Katie, I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to get back in.
Mom, you're okay. The most we're going to do. I told you.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, see that doctor in there?
Yeah.
We'll pull up on that.
Kate, I suggest you don't get in here, Katie.
And we'll leave.
Oh my God.
Matter, there's one closer.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hey,
you too.
We got a boat over there with some boiled peanuts and some Italian ices over there. Coming up in a little hole.
Somewhere, Katie.
Got Miss G, CC, got Jacob, Sister Kate over there. Oh, got Matthew over there too. They got a grill going over here. They chilling. They chilling. What's up, Miss G? Sandy. Nah.
Come on, buddy. What are you doing? He's so cute. He said, you ain't about to put me back in that water. Katie. Here goes Ryan. Oh, Ryan did it with like one try.
You had one job.
It's a sandbar right there.
That is amazing. Look at that.
Yeah.
That is awesome. All right, Jacob. Go ahead, break it down. You're ending the video. Okay. Uh-oh.